y'all, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Cajun shrimp toast. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need shrimp, French bread, minced garlic, parsley, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, butter, sour cream, mayonnaise, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Begin by cutting the shrimp into small pieces. Season with Creole seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. In a pan, heat up some oil. Melt a tablespoon of butter. Cook the shrimp. Halfway through cooking, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Shred Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. Once the shrimp has cooled, add a half cup of mayo, a half cup of sour cream, mozzarella cheese, and Parmesan cheese. Mix that all together. Cut the French bread down the center. This step is optional, but remove some of the bread from the middle. Spread the mixture over the bread. Add mozzarella cheese, add Parmesan cheese, top with parsley and paprika, and bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And there you have it, Cajun shrimp toast. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.